Students' daily routine at CIJ Sparta campus. We have a fitness gym to provide you with your exercise needs. Morning class starts at 6:30 to 7:20 in the morning with a vocabulary test. A sumptuous breakfast is served at 7:20 to 7:50 in the morning. After breakfast, the first class starts at 8 to 8:50 in the morning with a man-to-man speaking class. 8:55 to 9:45 in the morning is man-to-man reading class. 9:50 to 10:40 in the morning is man-to-man listening class. 10:45 to 11:35 in the morning is man-to-man writing class. The fifth class in the morning at 11:40 to 12:30 is man-to-man grammar class. After that comprehensive classes in the morning, a delicious lunch is served at 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. Afternoon classes starts at 1:30 to 2:20 in the afternoon with a man-to-man speaking class. The first group class starts at 2:25 to 3:15 in the afternoon, followed by another group class at 3:20 to 4:10 in the afternoon. 4:15 to 5:05 in the afternoon is a native class. At 5:10 to 6 p.m., the student has the option to do a self-study or join either the man-to-man class or group class. 6 to 7 p.m. is dinner time. After dinner at 7 to 7:50 in the evening is scheduled for self-study. 8 to 8:50 in the evening is sentence tests. At 9 p.m. onwards is free time or self-study. With our comprehensive daily training schedules, be assured that you can learn to read, write, and speak English in no time. CIJ Sparta campus, always supporting your success.